Hey folks, Carl here and welcome to bag 4 of this LEGO Star Wars X-Wing. Okay folks, we are moving on to the final bag 4 of this LEGO X-Wing build. Where are we at the moment? We have half an X-Wing. So at the moment these wings are a little bit heavy, so if you give it a slight shake or anything like that, it will open its X-Wings. That is where we're up to. So we are in this episode, it looks like we are just building up the final top sections of the wing. So without further ado, we are going to move on. We'll get the music started and we will start bag 4.
Okay folks, there we go. As you've probably just seen me, I've been trying to find out where these stickers go. We have missed them. I am not 100% sure. I will take a very good look through the book, see if we can find out where they go. If you've already built this and you know, please let me know in the comments. So there we go, one completed Lego Star Wars X-Wing kit 75301, and very nice it is too. A few mistakes were made along the way putting things together, but all in all she is now complete, looking very nice, and the wings of course do open like so, and I am absolutely loving this. It is lovely. I have seen someone is selling Lego stands that you can mount on the wall on online. I am tempted to get one of those so it sits on the wall as though it's in flight. We shall take a look and have a see. But yes, finished one Rebel X-Wing fighter. So very happy, would highly recommend. It is a lot bigger than I was expecting. Yeah, I am loving it. Like I say, if you're thinking of getting one, get one. It's a very good build. Doesn't take a huge amount of time, but it's not over superbly quickly, and of course you get 4 figures and the Luke's X-Wing. Yeah, very impressed. Thinking about it, get one. I would. Really good. And of course these things do fire as well, apparently. You push them in, and I'm not sure how it is they work. There's a little button on it, something like that. I am not sure, but apparently they do fire if I have them in the right way, of course. Who knows? It looks like it twists and fires or something. We will work it out. We will put that back on there for now. Like I say, we'll work out exactly how that works. Some of the bits could do with being a bit of a tighter fit, but you're not really going to play with it that much. So yeah, once more, Lego Star Wars X-Wing fighter. Thank you very much for watching. Be good, be safe, and as always, keep making models, and we will see you in the next build. Ta-ta.